Burning fast, sparks ignite the sky, chasing dreams as days go by. Through the dark, the fire burns, round we go as the world turns. In the night, we hear the call, rise above, we'll never fall. Heartbeats loud, a steady drum, find the light, here we come. We are stars in this wide galaxy, shining bright.
Hello, welcome to another Automotive Mayfair. So today the intake's going on. Something I made custom. We're going to do a heat shield as well, so I've already taken the airbox and all that out. I've started putting some pipe work in there as well, so let's get into it. So as you can see there, I've done that pipe work, done this bend here. We have these two pieces that will be going here. So I'm going to have a bit of a play, see if I can work it out, and then I will then install it and we'll put a video up. Right. So I'm just going to do this one up. Go as far as I can. I wanted a black one, but blue will have to do. Sorry for my videoing today, folks. It's not the best. This is what I've got so far. So I've still got to put this one on there, and then we've just got to find somehow to physically hold this in place so it doesn't just rattle around like that, basically. And that might just mean I need to bend this a little bit and then drill through it or something, or add a mount from that piece here up into there. Might be the way to go, but basically it's almost in and looking professional. So Automotive Mayfair for the win. Now we're just going to finish it off. I'm just going to do little bits by little bits here, like I'm doing now. Show you this piece by piece, because it's otherwise it's a very warm day and my camera's overheating. So that's phones for you. But anyway, we'll move on to the next bit and I'll film some more. Rightio, there we go, the finished product. The Automotive Mayfair. There's the mount. Mounts onto the shield like that, through both ways, down there, through the original mount there. This just sits there like that. Pod filters in. Righto, let's give her a start up and see how we go. I have got a sticker coming, folks. It's going to sit right here. It's show a picture of that at the end of the video so you can see what that's going to look like. But that's it. That's the very first pod filter intake for an MG HS 2 litre. It's coming along. Let's just do a bit of a rev test. Absolutely awesome. Looks very professional. I'm very happy. So, yep, that's it. It's time for go for a drive now.